Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Filing an insurance claim through the Progressive app has never been easier, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. Step 1. First, you'll want to open the Progressive mobile app on your phone. If you don't have it installed yet, just head to the App Store and download it for free. Once it's open, log in with your username and password. If you've never logged in before, you can create an account using your policy number and email address. Step 2. After logging in, look for the Claims section in the main menu. It's usually displayed prominently on the home screen. Tap on File a Claim or Start a Claim, depending on your app version. This will take you to the claims submission form where you can describe what happened. Step 3. Next, you'll need to provide details about the incident. Whether it's an auto accident, home damage, or another covered event, be specific about the date, time, and location. Take your time here because accurate information helps process your claim faster and ensures you get the right coverage. Step 4. Then comes the documentation part. The app will ask you to upload photos or videos of the damage. Use your phone's camera to capture clear images from multiple angles. Make sure lighting is good and include the overall scene plus close-up shots of damaged areas. Step 5. Finally, review everything you've entered before submitting. Double-check the incident details, make sure all photos are clear and relevant, and confirm your contact information is correct. Once you're satisfied, hit the Submit button and your claim will be sent directly to Progressive's claims team for review.